Hi. So I'm going to explain to you how to do the 3 ATT analysis. So first of all, we need to gather data from our company platform. So the link for our company platform will be given under the description below. So first, go to the Google and paste the link. After you successfully entered the platform, I need to remind you, we need to take two type of data, which is attention rate data and quiz mark data. So first, we will get the quiz mark data. So I'm going to only show you how to do for one subject, which is Mathematics Form 2. So if we go to Mathematics Form 2, hit the Manage Course button, go to the quiz, result, and then you can see there's two data. So this is actually one week data only, which is week 16 on the 1st of July. So in our class, we have 1 and 2 parts of quizzes. So you need to take both of it. To take the first part, click the export button. The export button will change our data, our raw data here into into Excel. Go back, enter the next part, which is part 2. Do the same thing, which is export. And then as you can see, we already successfully take two type of data. We have successfully take one type of data, which is quiz mark data. Go back to the main platform. To take the attention rate data of Mathematics Form 2, we need to go to session starts. First, we need to find mathematics. Okay, we go to the Mathematics Form 2. You can see there is a lot of data, which is Kaizon, Cikgu Tavis, and everything. We only need to take Cikgu Tavis with number of students. We have 18 students here for 1st of July because we take the data for the 1st of July also. Click it. And we're going to do the same thing, which is export it. After we successfully export it, then we change it into Excel also. Then we are going to combine all of the data in a single Excel file. So here's the file of the Excel that will be given for you from our companies. This is a master platform, a master Excel file. So you need to take the data from after we successfully export, take the data of both of it, open it. After we open it, we extract the data. Put it in the Excel. Take another one. Put it in our Excel also. So now you have quizzes data for two part, which is one part and two part, second part and first part. Next, we go to the session. So for the session, we are going to put the data of the attention rate data. So we're going to take all of the data from here. We are not going to include the Cikgu Tavis because the Cikgu Tavis is the tutor. We're going to put in the student name. And then here we'll see after we extracted all of the data, this is the real attention rate data. After we successfully export all of the data in a single file, we're going to save it. We're going to save it and name it as Mathematics Form 2. Okay, I already saved it. After you save it, we are going to go to Google. We're going to go to the drive. Okay, here's the important part. First, you need to create a folder. Create new folder. We are going to name it as 3ATT 3ATT data analysis. After we successfully click it, enter the folder. We're going to put the Excel file that we extracted previously. Going to find the data. The data name is mathematics form 2, right? Mathematics form 2. Okay. After we successfully put in this folder, we are going to use Python code to analyze the data. Okay. So we are going to use Python. So I already create the Python code. So you only need to run it. So the Python code link will be given under the description down below. Paste it. So as you can see, we already have coding in here. So the first thing you need to do, run the first part. The first part is we need to combine this this coding with our Google Drive. So it will take some time to link with our Google Drive. And they will ask to connect to our Google Drives. We just click the connect to Google Drive and find the drive in what email. Just click allow. It's going to take some time. Okay, after we did it, we're going to the next part. The next part is, it is quite simple. So you go, so the file, we have the file, we put it in 3ATT data analysis folder, right? So you just need to put here, change it into 3ATT data analysis folder. And then the name of the folder is mathematics form 2. Change it into mathematics form 2. Okay, then we are going to extract the data from the file into this coding. So we're going to put here, which is the name. So we are going to start with quiz. So the name of the file, the name of this is quiz mt2. So we're going to change it into quizzes mt2. mt2. Is mt2. Okay, then run. After we done run the coding, here we will have the student score, the average of the student score. Because from here, we have same name of people, because it's the same people that answer the quiz. Okay, then we go to the next part. Change it into the same as previous, which is 3ATT data analysis, mathematics form 2, and here we will find the average for the attention. So the attention name is session MT2. The same thing, session MT2. We run it. After we run it, we get the average of the student also. Next part is the same thing, change into 3 ATT data. Data analysis for DI MT2. And then we run. So here's the important part, which is they will merge the data from attention and the quiz. Yes, we are going to do the same thing. Pre-ATT data analysis. MT2. After we change all of it, hit the run button. And then we done with our analysis. So we will have a graph here and the bar graph and plotted graph. In here, we will know how many students under the range of 0 and 33, 34 and 66, 67 and 200. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.